boys and girls. Today I want you to learn 3 things from this lesson. The first thing is that what you say can be put into print. The second thing I want you to learn is that every word you say has a space between it. And the third thing that you need to know today is that when you read and you write, you move in one direction, and that is left to right. Okay, our very first thing, what you say can be put into print. So Justin told me earlier, I can read. Let's count the words. I can read. I can read. That's 3 words. Okay, we've just put those 3 words on the board into print. So here they are. I can read. So the next thing that I told you that you needed to know today was that there were spaces between those words. So I have a policeman who is the space cop. He's going to make sure that we have spaces between each of the words we said. So here's I with a space, can with a space, read. So we made sure we've had spaces between each word, I can read. Okay, boys and girls, the final thing that I want you to remember is the reading and writing directions, left to right. If you look at this car right here, this is the reading car. The reading car went in this direction. If you noticed earlier I was reading, I went in that same direction. Now think about it as if your mom were driving. Does she drive everywhere? Does she drive in the sidewalk? Does she drive in the grass? No, of course not. She has to go in a specific direction. The same thing when you're reading. I want to make sure that you remember to go in this direction for reading, in this direction for writing. So I'm going to take my mini car and show you that again. I can read. One more time. I can read. We went right across, left to right in that direction. Now you probably wondered about this stoplight over here. There's a reason I put that stoplight there, something special. It's to show you this period right here. A stoplight means to stop, and a period means to stop. Okay, so I want you to remember those 3 things. The first thing, what you say can be put into print, like we did here. I can read. The second thing I want you to remember is spaces between the words. Remember I, space, can, space, read. The last thing that I will need you to remember is that when you are reading, you go from left to right. Remember, the car always drives in this direction. I can read. Boys and girls, if you remember those things, you will be reading very soon.